Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So this time around I got another watch for unboxing. I got this from Desert Card. This is the Casio F91W orange color. So basically this color is not available anywhere in India because Casio never launched this color. So we'll do an unboxing of this. I bought this from Desert Card UK store. So this one got came from London basically. Okay, so this is the watch, this is the box. So this type of box never comes to India. So see, this is like a Casio box F91W. Okay, we'll unbox this. So these are the things that came in the box. One is this plastic cover, second is this watch, and the documentation. I'll be showing you the documentation. So guys, here is the documentation. It shows the module number and how to use the watch, warranty certificate, user guide, and all those in multiple languages. And finally, here is the watch, guys. This is the Casio F91W orange color. This is the case back. And here are the tags. This is the exact model number. Now let me give you the case dimension of this. This is like a standard size F91W, which is the 35.4 mm case diameter. Lug to lug is around 38-39, and case width is 8.5, and it takes 18 mm straps, but Casio uses some different type of straps. So basically this part is small and this part is little, the width is pretty little bigger. So you need a dedicated F91W strap, then only it will fit perfectly. Otherwise any 18 mm strap will work, but it won't look this good. As you can see, the time is currently not set properly. So we'll set the time and we'll show it to you on my wrist. So I've set up the time properly, and currently the time is 3:12 p.m. and today the date is 19th of February. As you can see, the color is very trendy, very beautiful looking color. And this is the strap, pretty long strap, and this is the buckle and the keeper, which says Casio black buckle. So I'll just put this on my wrist and we'll show it to you. And before I do that, I'll show you the watch I'm wearing today. This is the Ades Dive AD2529. Very beautiful, very gorgeous looking watch. One of the most gorgeous looking watch in my collection. Okay, I'll come up with a different dedicated video of this particular watch very soon. Okay. Alright, I'll just put this on my wrist and we'll show it to you. And guys, this is how it looks on my 7.5 inch wrist. The watch looks really beautiful, especially the center dial part of the watch, but the center part is little on the deep orangish color, and on the sides, especially the strap and all, and the body, case body, that's little on the lighter note of orange, and a deep orange is on the middle. Very good looking watch. Love the display. It's clear, crystal clear. Very good looking watch, and it sits perfectly on my wrist. Very lightweight, and the case diameter is, as I've told you, is 35 mm. Lug to lug is 38-39. Very easy to carry, very light watch. Okay, and as you all know, it's a legendary watch from Casio. No need to worry about the rain and dust and mud and nothing. Like, this is like one watch which can go anywhere and do anywhere. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care of yourself. Bye.